fun, we're gonna attach you to this RC car here. Then we're just gonna like show you our first person view of that would be. So, if you guys want to see more of this, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn post notifications on. Without further ado, let's get into this. Come on, guys. Of that, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow or later today, tomorrow I'm going to do a video about flips, so stay tuned for that. And I might do another video later today, so catch you guys in the next one.